Dear students, so let us we study today about effective atomic number and stereochemistry of coordination compounds. In earlier class, we have studied the nomenclature of coordination compounds and you are all familiar with naming the coordination compounds. Now, effective atomic number or Sidgwick theory of coordination compounds. Sidgwick in 1927 explained the bonding in coordination compounds. According to him, the formation of complexes is by donation of an electron pair from the ligand to the metal atom or ion. He suggested that the metal ion will continue to accept electron pair till it achieves the next inert gas configuration. This is known as effective atomic number rule. The total number of electrons on the central metal atom or ion, including those gained by the ligands for bonding, is called effective atomic number. Mathematically, it is given as EAN is equal to atomic number of the atom minus oxidation state of the metal atom plus the total number of electrons gained by the ligands to the central metal ion. Let us we illustrate this taking an example of hexamine cobalt 3 ion. In this case, atomic number of cobalt is 27, oxidation state of cobalt is 3 plus, and number of electrons gained from the ligand is 12. Therefore, EAN is equal to 27 minus 3 plus 12 is equal to 36. This is the atomic number of krypton, which is the nearest noble gas containing 36 electrons. Though in many cases the EAN is the same as atomic number of next inert gas, yet it is not always true. In few cases, it may be either 1 or 2 units less or more than the inert gas. In coordination compound, EAN rule permits coordination of large number of ligands to the metal ion. It has only qualitative significance. However, this theory does not predict the geometry of the molecules. It fails to explain stability after the accumulation of negative charge from the ligands. There are many exceptions to the EAN rule. Many stable complexes are known which the EAN rule is not yet obeyed. Let us we take an example: sodium hexacyano-nitrosyl ferrate 3. In this complex, iron is the central metal atom, atomic number 27, oxidation state of iron is plus 3, and the 12 electrons are gained from the ligands. Therefore, EAN is equal to 26 minus 3 plus 12, which is equal to 35. Another example of this type is hexamine palladium 4 ion. In this case, atomic number of palladium is 46. Its oxidation state is plus 4. Therefore, EAN is equal to 46 minus 4 plus 12, which is equal to 54, which is the atomic number of noble gas xenon less than 2. Here I have shown how to calculate the EAN. have said, EAN can be calculated using the atomic number of the central metal atom or ion minus oxidation state of the metal atom or ion plus the 2 into the coordination number or the total number of electrons gained by the ligands from the central metal ion. Here I have given the various complexes and their EAN, how it can be calculated. Some of the complexes obeyed the EAN rule and some of the complexes they do not obey the EAN rule. This is another table of different complexes of the similar type. Now coming to the another aspect, that is stereochemistry of coordination compounds with different coordination number. The coordination number of the metal ion decides the definite geometry. The ligands arranged around the central metal ion in such a way that the electrostatic repulsion between them is minimum. Various complexes shows the various coordination numbers. The maximum coordination number to the central atom is 9 and the minimum is 2. Let us consider the complexes with coordination number 2. These complexes possesses two types of geometries, the linear and bent. Linear geometry exists in case of the complexes having sp hybridization. These complexes have the bond angle 180 degree, hence they are linear. The examples of this kind are dichlorocuprate 1 ion, dicyanoargentate 1 ion, diamine argento 1 ion. Bent structure exists in case of other than sp hybridization complexes with lone pairs of electrons in the hybridized orbitals. These lone pairs gives lone pair bond pair repulsion, so which gives bent type of the molecules. Such complexes are very rare. Coming to the coordination compounds with coordination number 3. These complexes are very rare. The example of this type is triiodomercurate 2 ion. This is a complex in which the coordination number is 3. It is sp2 hybridized. It has trigonal planar geometry with bond angle 120 degree. Complexes with coordination number 4 exhibits two types of geometries, tetrahedral and square planar. Tetrahedral geometry is common amongst complexes of transition as well as non-transition elements. These complexes have tetrahedral geometry with a bond angle 109 degree 28 minutes. In these complexes we find sp3 hybridization. Examples of this type are tetrafluoroberylate 2 ion, tetrafluoroboron 3 ion, tetrachlorozincate 2 ion, tetracyano-cadmiate 2 ion. Square planar geometry is common amongst complexes of transition elements only. The central atom of the complex undergoes dsp2 hybridization with a bond angle 90 degree. The examples of this type are tetrachloroplatinate 2 ion, tetracyanonickelate 2 ion, tetramine copper 2 ion, tetrachloropalladiate 2 ion. The complexes with coordination number 5 are rare. They exhibit square pyramidal geometry. Complexes of trigonal bipyramidal geometry have two bond angles 90 degree and 120 degree. The examples of this type are pentacarbonyl iron 0. This complex is also an example for organometallic compound. The other complexes are pentachloromolybdate 4 ion, pentachlorocuprate 2 ion, and pentachlorostanate 4 ion. These complexes undergo DsP3 hybridization. In square pyramidal geometry, the ligands lie at the vertices of square pyramid. In examples of this type is the pentafluoroantimonate 4 ion, vanadilyl acetyl acetonate, bis triphenyl phosphine tribromonickelate 2 ion. In these complexes, the central atom undergoes sp3 dehybridization with a bond angle 90 degree. Coming to the complexes with coordination number 6. These complexes are very common. They exhibit octahedral geometry. If inner d orbital is involved in the hybridization, they are called inner orbital complexes. Example, hexa-aqua titanium 3 ion, hexamine cobalt 2 ion, hexacyanoferrate 2 ion, etc. In these complexes, the central atom undergoes D2sp3 hybridization and results the bond angle 90 degree. If outer d orbital is involved in the hybridization, they are called outer orbital octahedral complexes. Example of this type are hexa-aqua chromium 2 ion, hexafluorocobaltate 3 ion, hexamine zinc 2 ion, etc. In these complexes, the central atom undergoes sp3d2 hybridization and results the bond angle 90 degree. In some of the complexes, due to the distortion, the octahedral geometry changes to tetragonal. The example of this type is tetramine dichlorocobalt 2 ion. Coming to the complexes with coordination number 7. These complexes are very rare. They exhibit 3 geometrical forms. One is pentagonal bipyramidal, second distorted octahedral, and third one trigonal prism. The examples of the pentagonal bipyramidal geometry are the UO2 fluorine F6 3-. Now, this compound is called pentafluorouranilate 8 ion. We also have the heptafluorouranium 4 ion. We also have the heptafluorozirconiate 4 ion as an example. Now, the neobulate complex of fluorine shows distorted octahedral geometry. Heptafluoroneobium 5 ion and heptafluorotantalate 2 ion, tantalate 5 ion also exhibit trigonal prism geometry. Coming to the complexes with coordination number 8. These complexes are most common after the complexes with coordination number 6 and 4. They exhibit three geometrical forms: the cubic, square antiprism, and dodecahedral geometry. Now, in case of the cubic, the example is octafluorouranyl 5 ion. Example for square antiprism are octafluorotantalate 5 ion and octafluororenylate 5 ion. The example for the dodecahedral geometry are the octacyano-molybdate 4 ion, and another one is tetraoxalate zirconium 4 ion. Lastly, coming to the complexes with coordination number 9. Complexes with coordination number 9 are rare. The structure is derived from a trigonal prism by placing the three additional atoms outside the centers of three vertical faces. Example for this kind: the Nona Aqua neodymium 3 complex and tribromate neodymium 3.9H2O complex. These are all the various complexes with coordination number 2 to 9. This slide shows the geometries of the complexes with coordination number 2, which is having linear, coordination number 4, which is having tetrahedral or square planar, the complexes with coordination number 5, tetragonal bipyramidal or square pyramidal geometry, and lastly coordination number 6 having octahedral geometry, which I have already discussed with the complexes with coordination number 2 to 9. Here I have shown the complexes with coordination number 2 having linear geometry and the various other examples. In this slide, I have shown a complex with coordination number 3 having a geometry 120 degree and a the trigonal planar geometry. Complexes with coordination number 4 shows tetrahedral as well as square planar geometry. In this slide, the complexes having coordination number 5 are shown, which exhibit trigonal bipyramidal geometry and square pyramidal geometry. In this slide, I have shown the various possible geometries of the complexes with coordination number 6. Among this, octahedral geometry is very common. This slide shows the geometries of the complexes with coordination number 7 and 8. Students, so you have studied the effective atomic number, and some of the complexes exhibit the EAN showing the atomic number of the nearest noble gas, and some of the complexes they do not obey this EAN rule. And also you have studied the various complexes with coordination number 2 to 9 and having the different geometries. Thank you.